Stop guessing where stocks go next. Professional traders use this secret weapon for free, and right now, you can get it too. Click the link in the description below to grab your TradingView 30-day free trial before this offer disappears. Look, here's the thing most traders don't realize. While you're staring at basic charts wondering if Tesla's going up or down, professional traders are using TradingView's advanced tools to actually see what's happening. We're talking real-time data, professional-grade charts, and analysis tools that cost hundreds of dollars normally. But here's the kicker: you can test drive everything for 30 days completely free. No credit card tricks, no hidden fees. You get access to premium indicators, advanced charting, and market insights that usually cost serious money. Think of it as borrowing a Ferrari when you've been walking everywhere. The difference in your trading confidence will be night and day. So, stop trading blind and start trading smart. Clicking on description link, grab your free trial, and see what you've been missing. Your future trading self will thank you. Alerts that actually matter. Screeners to find movers fast. Desktop, mobile, wherever you roam. Ideas from millions of traders. Nice. Breathe, then click the link below. Get the TradingView 30-day free trial today. Link in the description for the discount and special offer. See you inside.